All right, so Rudyard Kipling. If so, let me give you a background of this poem written by Rudyard Kipling. So this was written by Rudyard Kipling specially for his son, and it is specially he talks about what a man should have, the prerequisites that a man should have in order to live or in order to become successful in life. Right? So there are many prerequisites that a man or a woman need to fulfill, right? We need to fulfill certain prerequisites, certain conditions, and then only we can become successful in life. So when we think about conditions, yesterday some of you told me that it is important to be calm, it is important to be peaceful, it is important that we wait till the right moment comes.
Self-trust.
Yeah, you have to trust on yourself. You have to have self-trust. Some of you told that we have to be oriented, goal-oriented, right? We have to let go of thousands of our own desires in order to achieve one, which was quite a nice thing to actually realize, right? Because life gives you an opportunity to actually understand something at the deepest level or at the highest level. But the thing is, human life does not have infinite amount of energy in some ways, in whatever situation that we are. And we have a limited amount of time. Even though we want to do everything, all the goods in the world, and everything possible in the world, we are not capable of completing all those tasks. Right? As students, if you think about your own life at this point of time, you are young, and what do you think that you can do in your life? I think you think that, okay, I can do everything in my life. You feel you are good at everything, and that's true also. You can become a dancer, you can become probably a good doctor, you can become a football player, you can become an artist, you can become a singer, you can become a tourist guide, you can become a very good carpenter. All of those possibilities that you see within yourself is perfectly fine. तर अन्तिममा फेरि के आउँछ त भन्दाखेरिमा जीवनमा एउटा समय बितिसकेपछि जीवन छोटो लाग्न थाल्छ. एउटा समय बितिसकेपछि जीवन के लाग्न थाल्छ त छोटो लाग्न थाल्छ. अहिले त अझै म त भर्खरै त म 16-17 वर्षको भएँ. म 30 वर्ष पुग्दा त म त के गरिसक्छु भन्ने हुन्छ. म 35 वर्ष पुग्दा त म के गरिसक्छु. म 24-25 पुग्दाखेरि. तर बित्दै जाँदा त 1 वर्ष त यत्तिकै बित्या छ, 2 वर्ष पनि यत्तिकै बित्या छ, 3 वर्ष पनि यत्तिकै बित्या छ. अहिले पो हामी केही गर्दैछौँ एक किसिमले. मानौ स्कुलमा छौ, तिमी 11 मा गएको छौ, 12 मा गएको छौ, 13 मा गएको छौ, ब्याचलर गर्छौ, त्यसपछि अर्को लेभलमा जान्छौ. देयर इज अ कन्क्रिट डेभलपमेन्ट इन योर सेल्फ द्याट यु फिल. तर एउटा समयपछि के आउँछ त, त्यो तिम्रो विकासको एउटा तरिका बदलिन्छ. तिम्रो विकास बाह्य रूपमा कम हुन थाल्छ. कतिले बाह्य विकासको रूपमा अर्थलाई लिन्छन्. पैसा कमाई गर्दाखेरि ओ मैले धेरै कमाएँ भन्ने फिल हुन सक्छ. तर यदि तिमीले अर्कै तरिकाको विकास, तिमीले मानौ एउटा चाहिँ लाइफमा एउटा क्षण आउँछ जहाँ चाहिँ तिमीलाई कुनै विकास नभए जस्तो अथवा चाहिँ समय गए जस्तो तर आफू समय अनुसार नगए जस्तो त्यो फिल आउन सक्छ. अनि त्यस कारणले तिमीले के गर्नुपर्छ त, हजारौं चाहना मध्ये एक चाहना चुज गर्नुपर्ने अवस्था आइन्छ. हजारौं सपनाहरू जे छ त्यो सपनाहरू सबै छोडेर त्यसमध्येको 999 वटा सपनालाई सबैलाई छोडेर अनि एउटा सपना साकार बनाउनलाई तिमी हिँड्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. अनि त्यही एउटा सपनाले फेरि तिमीलाई हजारौं सपना साकार बनाइदिन्छ रे. पहिला तिमी 1000 सपनाको आशामा तिमी दौडिराखेका हुन्छौ, राइट? तिमी पुरा प्रेरित हुन्छौ, तिमीमा उत्साह उमङ्ग बढेको उमङ्ग हुन्छ. And then once all of a sudden you feel okay. There is only one thing that I probably can do perfectly. केवल एउटै चिज मात्र मैले राम्ररी गर्न सक्छु, यो 100औं चिज गर्न सक्दिन, हजारौं. अनि तिमी बिस्तारै let go of lot of things. You start letting go of lot of things. And then you start focusing on one thing. Right? And then by accomplishing one thing, you fulfill all your wishes again. That is the irony we say. अब संस्कृत के अरे ध्यानमा पनि हामीले केही वाक्यहरू छन् नि. के भन्छ त भन्दाखेरिमा तिम्रो it's not coming in my head at the moment. यो तुलसीदासजीले लेखेको कुरा छ के, त्यसमा के भनिन्छ, I don't know if you remember. जहाँ चाहिँ तुलसीदास 100औं कुराहरू तिमीले 100औं कुराहरू पाउनलाई चाहना गर्छौ भने तिम्रो हात केही पनि लागेको हैन. तर एक कुरामा तिमी सिद्ध बन्छौ भने तिमीलाई सबै चीज हात पर्छ भन्ने कुरा त्यहाँ गर्नु भएको छ है. जे होस्, अब हामी यो रुडयार्ड किपलिङको इफ पोएमबाट हामी लाइफमा व्हाट क्यान वी लर्न. सो व्हाट डज ही से? If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. If you can keep your head, to keep your head भनेको के हो? That's pretty thick, huh? Keep your head. To keep your head means not to let go of your own self. तिम्रो आफ्नो केलाई शेरलाई तिमीले झुकाउने भन्दा पनि यहाँ चाहिँ जब तिमी चाहिँ म काबिलियत छैन, अब मेरो चाहिँ समस्या छ, तिमी आफूले आफैलाई सेल्फ डाउट गर्न थाल्छौ, तिम्रो मन भङ्ग हुन्छ. तिम्रो टु कीप योर हेड मिन्स तिमी स्थिर छौ, तिम्रो मानसिक हिसाबमा तिमी सन्तुलित छौ. कतिखेर? When all about are losing theirs. जब अरूले सन्तुलन खोएर, अरूले त सन्तुलन गुमाउन सक्छन्. Others can lose, right? People who are around you will lose their head. And when people lose their head, people lose the control of the mind. What happens? You start blaming others. कुनै चीज, if there is a problem, then you start blaming others. हैन मैले गर्दा होइन, यसले गर्दा हो, यसले गर्दा मेरो सारा बर्बाद भएको. जबसम्म मान्छेको मन सन्तुलित हुन्छ नि, मान्छेले सित्तिमिति अरूलाई ब्लेम गर्दैन. जब मान्छेले सबैतिरबाट अलिकति हार खाए जस्तो मन सन्तुलित नभएपछि के गर्ने त? आफूले आफैलाई बचाउनलाई मानिसले एक किसिमको सुपरफिशियल तरिकाले when they want to save themselves, save their face, they start blaming others. But you should not. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you. जब तिमीले आफूले आफैलाई विश्वास गर्छौ, when all men doubt you, people will doubt you. People will doubt your capability. People will doubt your right intentions. तिम्रो सही भावनालाई डाउट गर्छन् मानिसले. तिम्रो सही कर्मलाई, your work will be doubted. Your happiness will be doubted. Everything will be doubted. मान्छेले कुनै हिसाबमा डाउट एक्सप्रेस गर्छन्. That situation will come if you can trust yourself. But on those situations, what do we need to do? If we can trust, यदि तिमी आफूले आफैलाई विश्वास गर्न सक्छौ कि त्यो विश्वास भनेको के हो? मन भित्रबाट आएको, हृदय भित्रबाट आएको. संसारले जे भने पनि there is something within me. कुनै अहंकारको भावना होइन यो. म भित्र छ भन्नुको अर्थ यो अहंकारको कुरा म भन्ने कुरा होइन. तर तिमी आफूले आफैलाई एक किसिमको एउटा चाहिँ के देख्छौ तिमी भित्र? एउटा चाहिँ लाइट देख्छौ, प्रकाश देख्छौ. हेर है. But make allowance for their doubting too. हेर है, दिस इज भेरी भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट. It's not that others should not doubt you. It's not like that. ए मलाई कसैले डाउट नगरे हुन्थ्यो, मलाई कसैले चाहिँ के नगरे हुन्थ्यो, शङ्का नगरे हुन्थ्यो. त्यो तिनीहरूको कर्तव्य तिनीहरूले गर्छन्, ठिक छ. डु इट अर लेट इट बी. अलाउ गर्ने. लडाइँ गर्न नजाने, कसैले डाउट गरे पनि लडाइँ गर्न नजाने. लेट इट बी. But because you have trust within yourself, you trust yourself so much that it doesn't matter if people are not going to trust you. You allow them to distrust you. You allow them to doubt you. Sagarलाई कसैले doubt गर्यो, he's not going to fight, he's not going to prove that, oh, you cannot doubt me, I'm the best. No, then let it be. त्यति कम्फर्टेबल हुनु पर्यो कि आफै भित्र, त्यति कम्फर्टेबल हुनुपर्छ. त्यस्तो मान्छेलाई कम्फर्टेबल मान्छे भनेर भनिन्छ. इट डजन्ट म्याटर, राइट? म्याटर त कतिखेर गर्छ, तिमी आफैलाई अलिकति के हो भन्ने भयो भनी बल्ल म्याटर गर्ने हो कि होइन? तिमी सज्जन छौ, तिमीले राम्रो काम गर्दैछौ भने वरिपरि आएर चिच्याउने, कराउने, हराउने, तिमीलाई चाहिँ हराउन खोज्ने त्यस्तो मान्छेहरूसँग के हुन्छ? तिमीलाई ए बाबा यसलाई केही पनि छैन, ठिक छ भनेर तिमी शान्त भएर गर्छौ. You don't worry too much. तिमीमा त्यस्तो हुनु पर्यो. If you can wait and not be tired of waiting, very very important. Wait पनि गर्ने and not tired of waiting. We are not going to get what we want immediately in life. This is the secret of life. We are not. Some people will get immediately. Some people will have to wait 20 years. Some people will have to wait till the end of life. Some people may not get in this life. Maybe in the next life. This is very true. And we should not be tired of waiting. हामी वेट, पर्खाइबाट हार खानु हुँदैन. कुनै चिज प्राप्त नहुन सक्छ. जीवनमा खोजेको चिज तुरुन्तै प्राप्त नहुन सक्छ, हुन पनि हुँदैन.